Hello everyone, this is Guru Prasan K from 3D Fully Design.
I have embarked on a journey of 3D training, coaching, and mentoring. This is a glimpse of my 3-day 3D and CAD workshop at an engineering college during January 2024.
Assembly of a universal joint. If you want to check now there is no interference. For example, I will rotate, slightly rotate. See carefully, you can see two parts are interfering. Two parts are interfering. See, it's showing the interference. These are all termed as validation tools for assemblies. The interference volume it will show in the results folder. Volume, MMQ. This is called collision detection. What can you understand by the word, write it down, collision detection. What can you understand by the word collision detection? Yeah, collision means hitting. Collision detection. Very important validation tool for assemblies. Means while checking you have to enable this button stop at collision. Then only the two parts will stop when when colliding. And also it highlights the faces where it touches. We'll see a little bit sheet metal. It's also very important. Sheet metal designs. Nobody has learned in solid edge or fusion. Nobody has learned sheet metal. Anybody practice it? Sheet metal? Solid edge or fusion 360? Nobody. Sheet metal. All the sheet metal items. Sheet metal items are laser cutted and formed and bended to that shape, final shape. Initially, every sheet metal is a flat item. You can understand these photos. The sheet metal process.
Yes, sir.
This here is the sheet metal manufacturing process. The parts, all the flat plate is placed on the wheel block, and it is bended that using that tool. The radius becomes larger and larger, flat pattern length becomes shorter and shorter. Some variations, there are some calculations for all sheet metal designs, like K factor, bend detection. Have you heard of any terms? Bend detection, K factor, important term for sheet metal design, K factor. All calculations for sheet metal. Door lock. That will be this is around 1.5 mm. See, you got all the sheet metals, you can take the flat pattern. See, this is the flat pattern of that's cutted in laser cutting, then it's bended. This is a flat pattern. One bend made, first one bend done, like flattened state. Then second bend done, like one after another bend they will do. Then the back bend comes. That's why you can see the bending process one after.
These are my 3D certifications, and I am a regular 3D CAD systems user from the year 2008. Please subscribe 3D Fully Design.